Early learning fun. Santa's workshop. Hey kids, are you ready for some early learning fun at Santa's house? Ho ho ho! This is Santa's house. Here's Santa, but where could the elves be? The elves are in Santa's workshop. Let's go find them. This is Santa's workshop. What can we see here? The elves. Let's count them. 1, 2 elves. What can we see here? Toy trains. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 toy trains. What can we see here? Toy airplanes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 toy airplanes. What can we see here? Balls. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. What can we see here? Teddy bears. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teddy bears. What can we see here? Toy ducks. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 toy ducks. What can we see here? Boxes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. All the presents are now in the sleigh, and Santa is about to embark on his long journey around the world. Bye, Santa. Bye, kids, and have a happy holiday.